Welcome back! Today, we're exploring DupDub's audio features, the magic behind voices, cloning, and sound effects.
Finally! My voice deserves an upgrade. I've been sounding like a squeaky toy for years.
First up, AI voiceover. DupDub can turn any script into natural-sounding speech, perfect for tutorials, ads, or storytelling.
Natural sounding? Great! Maybe now I'll sound less like a fish stuck in a blender.
Next, instant avatar cloning. This feature lets you give your avatar a consistent voice across all your videos.
Hi, welcome to DupDub. If your audio doesn't sound as natural as you'd like,
Consistent voice? So I won't sound like a different fish every episode? About time.
Then we have instant voice cloning. DupDub can copy your voice in seconds, so your avatar speaks just like you.
I suspect Narvals are. Hi, welcome to DupDub, a powerful creation tool you must need.
Wait, you mean people can hear me even when I'm not talking? That's spooky and awesome!
Finally, AI sound effects. Add background sounds, effects, or even ambient audio to make your scenes more immersive.
Immersive? Cue the dramatic ocean waves! Or maybe just a rubber duck squeak.
Oh. Oh.
Not quite. Hecklefish. First,
You head over to Chatbase.
you just feed it your data Notion files.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, or I'll clone your voice and make you sing karaoke.